A day at the park. Sarah held Nani's hand. Let's go to the park. Nani smiled. Look at the sky. I see little clouds, said Sarah. Look here, Sarah. These flowers are so bright, Nani said. Sarah bent down. I see a little ladybug on this yellow flower. Look. Fresh bread, Sarah said. Nani said, Yes, I can see it from here. Children were running near the park gate. A man was selling bright balloons. They entered the park. There were ducks in the pond. Sarah became so happy to see the ducks. Sarah ran to the swings. Nani, come here, she called. They rested on a bench. I see birds on that little branch, Sarah said. Yes, they love sitting there, Nani said. On the way home, Sarah said, I want to come to the park again. Nani smiled and said, We will come again.